If you want to add a PDF on Evernote, this video will walk you through the quickest and easiest ways to do it on desktop, web, and mobile. Whether you're saving receipts, notes, contracts, study materials, or documents for work, Evernote makes it simple to keep everything in one place. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how to attach a PDF step by step so you can organize your files inside the note you need without any confusion. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Let's get into it. First, let's look at the easiest method on desktop, which is using drag and drop. Open the Evernote desktop app and either select an existing note or create a new one where you want to add the PDF. If you're starting fresh, just create a new note and give it a title that makes sense for the document you're attaching. Next, locate the PDF file on your computer. You can find it on your desktop, in your Downloads folder, or anywhere else in your File Explorer. Once you've found the file, click and hold the PDF, then drag it directly into the body of your Evernote note. When you release it, Evernote will attach the file to that note. This is one of the fastest ways to add a PDF, because you do not need to go through a lot of menus. It's especially useful if you're moving multiple documents into Evernote and want a quicker workflow. Now, if drag and drop is not convenient, or if you're using a different device, you can use Evernote's attachment tool instead. This method works on desktop, web, and mobile, so it's the most flexible option. Open a new note or an existing note in Evernote. Then look for the plus button in the note formatting toolbar. Depending on your version of Evernote, this may be labeled Insert or Attachment, but it usually works the same way. Click that plus button, then choose Attachment or File from the drop-down menu. After that, your device's file picker or file manager will open. Browse to the PDF you want to add, select it and click Open or Attach. Once you confirm it, the PDF will be added into your Evernote note. This is the best option if you want to upload a file from your phone, tablet or browser without dragging anything. After the PDF is attached, take a moment to make sure it uploaded correctly. You should see the file inside the note, and in many cases you can click it to open or preview it. If it's a work document or something important, it's a good idea to rename the note right away, so you can find it later. You can also add a few lines of text above the PDF to explain what the file is, why it matters, or what you need to remember about it. If you use Evernote often, a good workflow is to create separate notes for separate topics, then attach the related PDFs inside each note. For example, you might keep one note for invoices, one for school documents, and one for travel confirmations. That way, your PDFs stay organized instead of getting buried in a random folder on your computer. If you're on mobile, the process is still very similar. Open the Evernote app, open the note you want, tap the plus or attachment option, and choose your PDF from your phone's storage. Then, confirm the upload. It only takes a few taps, and once the file is attached, it syncs across your devices so you can access it anywhere. And that's really all there is to it. You can add a PDF to Evernote either by dragging and dropping it on desktop or by using the attachment tool on desktop, web, or mobile. If this tutorial helped, please hit the like button, subscribe for more easy how-to videos, and let me know in the comments what software guide you want to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.